Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Education Plus Arena. So today we will discuss about web developer, about front-end developer and back-end developer, and which language they use and where and how the codes are executed. All things we will discuss in this video. So first thing is, who is a web developer? Whom should I call a web developer? So a web developer is a programmer who is especially engaged in the development of World Wide Web applications using the client-side language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or server-side scripting language like PHP, Node.js, Ruby, Python, etc. It means a web developer is a person who develops the web application and web pages using the client-side language or server-side scripting language. Now, what is server-side scripting language and what is client-side scripting language? So, the client-side language means the code will execute on the client's browser like Chrome, Firefox, etc. Whereas a server-side scripting language means the code will execute on the server like Apache, Microsoft IIS, etc. And the result will be returned to the client's browser. There are two types of developer. First is front-end developer and second is back-end developer. So front-end developers are responsible for creating layout and user interface design of a website that user can see and interact with, while a back-end developers are responsible for creating dynamic connections or data interaction between the front-end and back-end which user cannot see. For example, you are watching this video on YouTube. So whatever you are seeing, the interface that is made by the front-end developer, but you are not seeing the data interaction process which are happening in the backend. There are thousands of codes are running in the background and communicating with the server. These all are made by the backend developers. The front-end developer uses the client-side scripting language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which runs on browser like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, etc. While the backend developer uses the server-side scripting language like PHP, Ruby, Node.js, Python, Java, etc. The code written in these languages runs on the server like Apache, Microsoft IIS, etc. The server accepts the request of a client and the result is returned to the client's browser. For example, this is the login page of Facebook. Here, whatever you are seeing, the interface or layout are made by the front-end developers. All the options, email, password, login button, forget password option, and all the designs are user interface design that are made by client-side scripting language like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript, etc. Suppose if I will click on the login button, the data will be sent to the server and the result will be come to our browser. Then only we will be able to see the next step, that is Facebook homepage. These processes are happening in the backend which user cannot see. These all operations are done by backend developer using the code of PHP, Ruby, Node.js, Python, Java, etc. Now the front end or client side languages are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now what is HTML? So HTML is a standard markup language which shows our content in the browser. Now what is CSS? So CSS is used for framework and design in our web applications or web pages. Not only CSS, the ready-made written code like Bootstrap and Semantic UI is also used in framework. Bootstrap reduces our code. Now, JavaScript is the popular programming language used for validation, manipulation and functionality in the web pages. It has also frameworks like AngularJS and libraries like React and jQuery. Now, what is PHP? So PHP is a server-side scripting language and also demandable. Facebook, WordPress and Magento are based on PHP only. Ruby is similar to Python, which is used in building the websites, also in data analysis and prototyping. Mostly this is used for Rails web, which is used in framework. Node.js is mostly used in back-end API services. It uses the JavaScript code to run. It has frameworks like Express.js and Happy. Now, what is Python? So Python is a very popular demandable modern language which is used in web development, software development, mathematics, scripting, and etc. It has also frameworks like Django and Flask. Now, what is Java? So Java is a pure object-oriented programming language which is used in mobile application, desktop application, web applications, games, database connections, and many more. It has also frameworks like Spring and Apache Wicket etc. Now, there are also some programming languages like MySQL, Oracle, and MongoDB, which is used in database management system. So, thanks for watching. In next video, we will discuss about HTML in details.